Well, this weekend we celebrate World Baking Day, and today we're putting a twist on some tasty desserts.
That's right. Chef Guy Vaknin is the celebrity chef and entrepreneur behind City Roots Hospitality. It's the company that brought us some iconic vegan spots like Beyond Sushi, Le Basque, and so much more. There he is. Chef Guy rose to fame on season 10 of Hell's Kitchen and later made headlines, Joe.
Yeah, with one of the biggest deals in Shark Tank history, and now he's here with some vegan pastries. Welcome to New York Living, Chef Guy.
Thank you. First time. I'm happy to be here.
We're happy that you're here, too. We said right off the bat, what's your style in the kitchen?
Yeah.
I told you. Gordon Ramsay minus a little bit, you know? But we got great kitchen, great team, so definitely supporting them, and brought some of their creations.
Okay.
Pastry chefs. My pastry team does an amazing job and creates pastries for all our restaurants. Each restaurant has a different theme. Brought you some stuff from Beyond Sushi. We have a pandan cake, which is a leaf from Southeast Asia.
Okay.
And it has a coconut marshmallow inside, a yuzu gel, and black sesame.
And these are all vegan recipes?
All vegan.
All vegan, the whole 9 yards.
So what are we swapping out here in terms of ingredients?
So really cool stuff. I mean, the white chocolate is made from almond. And the marshmallow inside is made with agua fava. So as well as this guy over here, the meringue. Basically making a marshmallow from the water that you cook chickpeas
in,
which is amazing. Lemon citron from La Basque over here with black cherries, dehydrated elderflower meringue, and torched meringue on top.
I love it. We couldn't bring the torch out here. He
I know we had to do it in our little pantry. That's right.
Here. I love that.
What are we garnishing?
Smell.
What are we garnishing?
We're garnishing a little bit of mint on top of everything, give some freshness to the whole thing. And we also dehydrated and caramelize some lemon zest, and that will go on top. La Basque is one of the more classy, fancier, so all the details really matter, all the little tweaks and everything on top of our
Remember I opened the show and I said sometimes I try to class up the joint?
Yeah, and you do.
Here we go.
And how about this purple cake here? What is this? This looks delicious.
Another one from Beyond Sushi. This is our ube cheesecake.
Okay.
Again, vegan. How do you do cheesecake vegan? All cashews. It has a ginger cookie crust on the bottom and a chocolate syrup on top. And a little bit of mint.
There you go. They got a beauty shot.
You got the beauty shot? Okay, good.
There you go.
And I understand, Chef, you have a new dessert bar and cocktail bar opening soon.
That's
Tell us a little bit about it.
So we have, in the restaurant in City Roots, we have 8 restaurants now, 7 different concepts, 2 Beyond Sushis, La Basque, a Nixie, which is a Mediterranean, a Mexican one that is called Sentir, Coletta Italian, and now we're opening.
You're a busy man.
Yeah, busy.
You're a very, very busy man.
We bounced back from the COVID. We had a hard time, but we opened 6 restaurants in the past 5 years.
I love it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And thank you for sharing the fruits of your labor. You know, I'm shopping for a wedding cake.
Oh, right.
I mean,
My
this
team is
one
great.
right here. I'm
Getting married soon?
November.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And congratulations to you.
Thank you very
Thanks
much
for helping us celebrate World
sure.
Baking Day.
This is fantastic,
Get
Chef
after
Guy.
it.
Thanks for joining us. Of course, you can follow him on Instagram to stay up to date on all his restaurants at Chef Guy Vaknin.